in Oklahoma. There is another tornado potential storm up very close to Chickasha, farther up I-44 in Oklahoma. There we're seeing some more pictures. Mike Bettis and the Tornado Hunt team on the move there in the right towards some very, very dark skies and in some rain, obviously, with the windshield wipers going. Let's hope that they're not doing what we call sometimes entering the bear's cage, coming out of the rain right into a rain-wrapped tornado at this point. But the one good thing about this, that we have not had any massive tornado vortex signatures from this storm to suggest that we have a massive kind of tornado in progress. My guess is that we've been getting some short-lived tornadoes. Let's hope that's the case. At least that's what the radar so far has been suggesting. But a very, very stormy night, one that is including the potential of large hail, damaging winds, isolated tornadoes, and an increasing threat of flash flooding as storms continue to roll across the same path. Let's go back to the studio.
All right, Dr. Forbes, thanks so much. Again, a number of these cells, incredibly have been moving over this same area. So the boundary is in play here. So they're not just the type of thing where you have a storm move over, it stabilizes the atmosphere, and you're all set.
Right.
In this case, we're kind of continuing this threat, certainly for the next couple of hours across at least portions of southwestern Oklahoma.
And we are going to stay with you as we cover this severe threat over the next several hours. Stay with us for more coverage. We're back.